Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm back with another video on very important topic that how to find your passion and become part of your work. It so happened that people complain that yeah, we are doing work but for the sake of paying bills, or we know about our passion but we find difficult to connect our passion with our work because it's not an easy thing. So I'm going to share some of the tips that will help you to figure out the passion and how to connect it with your work. So, uh, do you don't know what you're passionate about? Like most of the people come to me with this question that we want to have connect passion with work, but the gaps comes when we don't know what we are passionate about actually. So, maybe you are also the one who find difficult to connect passion with work. So maybe you know the passion, but you don't know how to connect with your work because your job is more about paying the bills, fulfilling your liabilities, or maybe you get got a good job in some particular area. So it's not a matter of finding passion at all. So I'm going to ask you some simple questions that will help you to eventually figure out that what you are passionate about in the first go, and then how you can connect that passion with your work, and what has to be your game plan. So coming to the next question, the most important one, all I want is that you just think about what aspect of your job that you enjoy most. ऐसी क्या आपकी जॉब का पार्ट है जिसको आप बहुत ज़्यादा एन्जॉय करते हैं? जिसमें व्हेन यू फील कंफर्टेबल डूइंग दैट, you feel excited, you feel happy, you feel that you are doing some challenge. So think about it. What really enjoy about the part of your existing job or past job? If you are a student and you don't know, you don't have any experience, then you may think of the area in your academia where you feel happy whenever you are doing that particular assignment or task. Then another important question that you need to ask yourself is that think about your last job or your existing job and the time when you were really happy, feeling great, excited. So maybe it was your presentation, or maybe it was your idea of executing a survey or analysis, or maybe it was the time when your boss asked you to single-handedly handle the project. So those success stories of yours in your past tell so much about the part of job that you enjoy most. So I request you all that list down all those area where you feel really happy. Coming to another important question is that what kinds of skills were involved? Let's suppose you were really happy in your past job when you were asked by your boss to present a proposal or to give a product demo. So giving a product demo maybe comprises of doing some present using your presentation skills or negotiation skills or persuasion skills. So you can connect those skills and list them down. वो तमाम स्किल्स जो आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपनी जॉब में, any of the skills that that were that really made you happy, just list them down. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपने अपनी लास्ट जॉब में की है जो आपको बहुत ही एक्साइटेड जिसके बारे में आप फील करते हैं, जिसमें आपको फीलिंग ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट आई है और उसको आप अपने स्किल लेवल से कनेक्ट करें। क्या वो आपकी कोई प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल है, क्या कोई रिटन कम्युनिकेशन है? हो सकता है your boss gave you a kind of project where you're supposed to write a report and you enjoyed putting up your writing skill at its best. So maybe you pick that skill out of it and list it down. Then once you are clear about the part of your job that you enjoy most, the skill set that used in that particular job, the feeling of accomplishment you had in that particular area. So these are the areas that are good enough to identify or determine the passion. Now it's all start with doing more of the thing or task that you have never done before. So first of all, once you know that I enjoy certain part of my job, so you can take more of such tasks. You can include more of such assignments in your day-to-day work. that will make you feel happy or excited or more energetic. And then another important thing that people miss doing is that try new things. If you feel like my job is very boring, I don't find any element of passion into it, then you all have to do is that start trying new things, take more cross functional assignments, try those things that you've never done before. Maybe you can enter into avenues or arenas you haven't explored before and take those assignments as a exercise to figure out that maybe I would end up doing something very interesting and close to my heart. So once you start doing new things that you have never done before, every time when you do a new thing in your job, keep a check on your feeling. And what you need to have a check on, are you feeling happy, excited, satisfied, not satisfied, bored? So if your feelings lie in the area of happy, excited, joyful, contented, satisfied, then there's a possibility those all those areas are actually close to your heart and you are passionate about. But if the bar goes towards dissatisfaction, not happy, not contented, then obviously this is a no-no. Now, once you are clear about the things you really enjoy in your job or your last job, or the skill set you enjoy implementing most, or the things you have keep on trying and figuring out that are part of your job that you enjoy most. So now you need to focus on one three areas that will help you to connect passion with work more and to contribute effectively. First of all, what would I do differently in terms of my education, training, and learning? You find yourself very excited and happy doing the presentations. Now you look into areas on those certifications, on those skill sets that will help you to be more good at those presentations. So maybe you enjoy doing negotiations, but you feel like I need to improve on that. So maybe you can endure yourself in certain certification that will help you to be a better negotiator or good at persuasion. So you need to figure out those certifications that will actually help you to go ahead with those skill sets that you enjoy most. Another important question is that what I do more to give my best. So anything you are passionate about, if you do more of it, you're definitely going to outperform. So once you know that these tasks or responsibilities is actually making me happy, so now you need to do more of them to become a best version of yourself. And it's coming in the arena of personal development as well. And the last most important question is that what people have been most helpful to me and how might I build those similar relationships. So maybe there were teams, there were people in your organization you work with and you nailed those projects and you were very happy at the end of the day. You feel like you are very good on those certain skill sets, but those people were really helpful to you in becoming better at certain tasks or responsibilities. So find out the type of those people so that you can surround those people more. You surround yourself by more and more by those people, and then you build good or some relationship with those people. So it's more about building relationship with those people who help you to become a better version of yourself. So it's not only about reflecting on the part of job that makes you excited or the kind of skills that you needed, but also at the same time the people in your life that were really helpful to you, so that you can sit with those people because they're going to help you to be more passionate or to fulfill those passion or to connect passion with work in a much better way. So I'm sure these pointers going to help you a lot. All you have to do is that take out some time. You can do this exercise with me during the video or after the video. And I'm sure once you are done with it, you get more clarity about it. Still, if you have any question, you can write it to me. You can mention in the comment section. I'm always there to help you out. So take care, enjoy the video, share the video, subscribe my channel, and keep sharing your feedback. Take care. Allah Hafiz.